Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to discover hidden photos and video in Google Photos. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your photos. I'm going to click on here to open up my photos. Then on having opened up your Google Photo, next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. The next thing you need to do is to make use of search and simply type in lock folder. So select lock folder right here. Then add your lock security pattern, just like so, and you will be taken to all the lock video and you'll be taken right here. So right here you have your hidden photos and videos right here. To unhide them, simply select on the photo or video and simply come down below right here, click on move and move out of lock folder. Simply click on move. As simple as that. You can move as many as possible photo or video from your hidden photos and video lock folder in Google Photos. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.